Hello students, let us start with the question number 6 of exercise 7.1. In the previous lecture we had seen question number 1 to 5, right? So now today we will start with the question number 6 of exercise 7.1. Let us first of all see the question and what is given here. Name the type of quadrilateral formed by the following points and give reasons for your answer. It means some points are given to us, right? There are 3 questions inside this question number 6, okay? And here we have to give the type of quadrilateral. It means which type of quadrilateral is forming by joining all the 4 points. And it is not necessary that compulsory quadrilateral will form only. Sometimes it may happen that quadrilateral is not formed. So in that case we have to say that no quadrilateral is formed. And if any quadrilateral exists, we have to name that quadrilateral. Now we know only there are certain types of quadrilateral. Let us start which are the types. First of all, parallelogram, then square, rectangle, trapezium, right, rhombus, kite. The 6 types of six types of quadrilateral we had studied in the 9th standard, right? So by our that previous knowledge we have to say that whether the quadrilateral is formed or not. Okay. Now here the first question is homework for you. Why it is homework for you? Because the points are given to you. They are forming a square. And we had already studied that what is the characteristics of square. स्क्वायर की जो है वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है वो तो हमने पहले ही इसके जैसे स्क्वायर वाले हमने 2 सम्स किए हैं. ओके, सो देयरफॉर दैट फर्स्ट सम इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. You have to consider here as A, B, C and D. Understood? Okay. Now here we are going to start with question number 2. Okay. For you only I am writing this. It means for understanding purpose only I am writing this is A, B, C and D. Otherwise we have to understand that this is your A, B, C and D. Okay. So let us write here solution of second question. Okay, here A. Which are the points of A? This is -3, 5. Like this you have to do the first sum also. Okay. Comma B. What are the coordinates of B? 3, 1. C 0, 3 and D -1, -4. Okay, understood? Okay, now we have only one formula, that is distance formula. Nothing else we had learned in this chapter. अभी तक तो हमने चैप्टर में क्या देखा है? सिर्फ डिस्टेंस फार्मूला ही हमने पढ़ा है, राइट? वही एक फार्मूला हमें मालूम है. So by using distance formula only we will give our answer that which quadrilateral is formed by this. Okay, now how to give answer? See, you have to find 6 things in all these 3 questions. ये तीनों के तीनों क्वेश्चन में आपको 6 थिंग्स जो है वो फाइंड करनी है, राइट? ओके, व्हिच आर दैट 6 थिंग्स? 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Understood? 4 sides and 2 diagonals. By considering that 6 length, right? जो 6 आंसर आपको आएंगे, 6 लेंथ के आंसर जो आपको आएंगे वो देखकर आपको बताना है कि कौन सा क्वाड्रिलेटरल. Okay, so here let us start with our first distance, that is AB. Then afterwards we will find BC. Then third we will find CD. Then fourth we will find AD or DA. दोनों same ही हैं. Okay. Fifth we will find diagonal. Diagonal it means AC. A over C. Okay. And sixth we will find B and D. Understood? Okay. So let us start. First of all, to find AB. So therefore, AB square. First minus first. ए का फर्स्ट क्या है -3 माइनस b मीन्स 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 5 minus 1 whole square. Okay, let us solve this. -3 minus 3 minus 6 minus addition -6 whole square plus 5 minus 6 5 minus 1 5 minus 1 का आंसर क्या आएगा 4. So 4 square. Okay, let us solve. -6 square, that is plus 36. 4 square is 16. If you add 36 plus 16, you will get 52, which is the answer of AB square. But we need to find AB. So AB is equals to root 52. How to describe root 52? 4 13s are right. Okay. Out of which square root of 4 is possible, that is 2, and 13 is not possible. So we got the answer of AB, that is 2 root 13. Now we are going to find BC. BC square. BC square का आंसर क्या आएगा 3 minus 0, first minus first. B का first 3 और C का first 0. So 3 minus 0 whole square plus second minus second 1 minus 3 whole square. 3 minus 0 it means 3. 1 minus 3 it means minus 2 whole square. Right? Okay. 3 square is 9. Minus 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4. 9 plus 4 13. Okay, and 13 is a prime number, so we cannot find the square root of it. So answer of BC will be root 13. Understood? Okay, now we are going to find CD. CD find करेंगे, right? Okay, C and D. CD square. First minus first. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 whole square आएगा ना, right? So bracket over and afterwards square. Okay. Second minus second. C का second 3 और यहाँ पे D का second -4. So it means 3 minus 4 whole square. Okay. 0 minus plus 1. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 it means 1. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 1 square आएगा, डायरेक्ट मैंने लिख लिया. Okay, यहाँ पे 3 minus plus 3 plus 4. Understood? Minus plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 it means 7 whole square. Okay, 1 square is 1 and 7 square is 49. 49 plus 1 it means 50. Okay, so therefore 50 I answer, right? Okay, but we need to find the answer of CD. So CD will be root 50. Okay, how will you describe root 50? 25 twos are 5 root 2. Square root of 25 is 5 and 2 का हो गया root 2. Understood? So this is the answer of CD. Now we are going to find DA और AD. दोनों का मीनिंग तो जो है सेम ही आएगा. Okay, let us do AD और DA. क्या करना है? इसका पहले आई थिंक हमने AD किया था, राइट? चलो इस बार DA कर डालते हैं. DA स्क्वायर. D का फर्स्ट माइनस A का फर्स्ट. पहले जो लिखा उसका फर्स्ट ले लो, दूसरा जो लिखा बाद में उसका लेना. ओके. D, the first coordinate of D is -1. Okay, so -1 minus A का first -3, that we have to write in bracket over whole square plus second minus second -4 -5. Okay, so -4 minus and then 5 whole square. Okay, what what will be answer here? -1 plus 3, right? -1 plus 3, -1 plus 3, उसका क्या आंसर आएगा? -1 plus 3, -1 plus 3 का आंसर होगा +2. Yes, correct. So I am writing just 2 whole square plus -4 -5 minus addition 4 plus 5 9 bigger term sign, it means -9 square. Okay, so 2 square is 4 plus -9 square is 81 and 81 plus 4 it will be 85. Okay, how can you describe 85? It can be 17 5s, right? 17 5s it will be 85, but both 17 and 5 both are prime numbers, so it means here the square root is not possible. So here I will write that dA is equals to √85. Okay, so now here we have find out the four sides. Still two diagonals are remaining. So first of all, let us start with AC square. First minus first. A, the first one of A is -3 and C is 0. So -3 minus 0 plus second minus second 5 minus 3. Okay. Solve this, what you will get here? -3 minus 0. Here there is no importance of 0, right? So -3 square. Okay, -3 square plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 it means 2 whole square. 5 minus 3 answer 2 again square. Okay. -3 square it will be 9 plus 2 square it will be 4. If you add you will get 13, but 13 is a prime number, so directly we can find AC, that is √13. अंडरस्टूड? आ रहा है समझ में? इजी है, कुछ नहीं, राइट? डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करनी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आवर सेकंड डायगोनल, that will be B and D. Okay, so now let us find BD square. First minus first. First is 3 minus -1. ऐसा होगा ना? 3 minus -1. Okay, so 3 minus -1 whole square plus D 1 minus -4. Okay, 1 minus -4 whole square. Okay, so what will be the answer here? 3 minus minus plus, so 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 हो जाएगा 4, so 4 square. So here I am writing 4 square. Okay, now 1 minus plus 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 5 square. दिख रहा है? Okay, 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. 16 plus 25. What will be the answer of 16 plus 25? Let us check one more time. कहीं पे mistake नहीं है? 3 minus plus 1 plus 1, so 3 plus 1 4 square, 4 4 is 16. 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4. यहाँ पे जो लिखा हो minus plus 1 plus 4 5 square, 5 5 is 25. Okay, correctly है 16 plus 25. 16 plus 25 addition क्या होगा? 41 होगा, right? So here I am writing 41, but again 41 is a prime number, you cannot divide it 41, right? 41 का तो कोई division होगा नहीं, so therefore BD is equals to √41. Okay, so here we had also find out BD. Now see here whether the quadrilateral is forming or not. आपको हर एक की कंडीशन मालूम है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये चारों साइड का जो मेजरमेंट है AB, BC, यहाँ पे CD और यहाँ पे DM, right? No two sides are equal. 2 root 13, only root 13, 5 root 2 and root 85. All four sides are unequal. तो अब AC का AC कैटेगरी तो कोई है ही नहीं. Why? Because if you consider parallelogram, आप parallelogram consider करो तो उसमें ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल है, रेक्टेंगल में भी ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल है, स्क्वायर में ऑल फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल, रोम्बस में ऑल फोर साइड्स आर इक्वल, राइट? ओके, काइट जो बाकी रह गया उसमें क्या आएगा? तो काइट में भी दो साइड्स जो है वो इक्वल है. तो अब ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनता है कि नहीं बनता है? ओके, इट इज नॉट फॉर्मिंग ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. क्वाड्रिलेटरल यहाँ पे नहीं बन रहा है. व्हाई? सी हियर, the reason behind it is that AC, what is the measurement of AC? Look it carefully. The measurement of AC is root 13, right? Okay, and the measurement of BC is also root 13. If you add root 13 plus root 13 plus root 13, 1 root 13 plus 1 root 13, if you add both numbers you will get 2 root 13. That is the measurement of AB. It means यहाँ पे क्या होता है? देखो, see, this is suppose AC, right? ये हो गया हमारा AC. Okay, and afterwards BC is also root 13. So same, ये दोनों measurement equal है, right? Okay, ये हो गया root 13. Okay, ये हो गया root 13. Okay, and if you add root 13 plus root 13, it will become 2 root 13, right? And 2 root 13 is the distance between the point AB. It means ये A से लेकर B तक का distance क्या हो गया? इन दोनों का एडिशन कर दो तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 root 13 आएगा, right? Understood? Okay. Now if 3 points are collinear, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? A के बाद C के बाद B, तीनों एक ही लाइन में है, तीनों स्ट्रेट लाइन में है. It means these points are collinear, right? Collinear, it means again one more time, all these 3 points lies in a straight line. You can see here, right? Okay, now as these 3 points lie on a straight line, there can never form a quadrilateral, because for quadrilateral the figure should be like this. चार जो है वो साइड्स होनी चाहिए, वो किसी भी तरह से एक दूसरे से क्या होनी चाहिए? अटैच्ड होनी चाहिए, ज्वाइन होनी चाहिए, राइट? बट यहाँ पे तो जो है वो 3 पॉइंट्स कहाँ पे आ रहा है? कॉलिनियर, स्ट्रेट लाइन में आ रहा है. तो अब इसका ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता, राइट? हियर इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल नो 3 पॉइंट्स कैन बी कॉलिनियर. यहाँ पे आप क्वाड्रिलेटरल में देख लो, कोई भी 3 पॉइंट्स सेम लाइन में नहीं है. ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है, ये दूसरी स्ट्रेट लाइन, ये तीसरी और ये चौथी, राइट? यहाँ पे भी 2 पॉइंट है, यहाँ पे भी 2 पॉइंट है, यहाँ पे भी 2 पॉइंट है और यहाँ पे भी 2 पॉइंट. इट मींस नो 3 पॉइंट्स कैन स्टे इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, राइट? इफ इट इज फॉर्मिंग ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल. क्वाड्रिलेटरल है तो 3 पॉइंट स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं आ सकते. बट हियर we had already done this type of sum. ऐसा सम हमने पहले किए हैं, दो साइड का एडिशन, तीसरी साइड जो है वो आंसर आता है. then we are telling that these 3 points are collinear, right? तो यहाँ पे 3 points जो है वो collinear हो रहे हैं, इसलिए ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो है वो नहीं बनाता. so here we will write that here AC plus BC, here AC plus BC, it means root 13 plus root 13, it means 2 root 13, which is the measurement of AB. So therefore यहाँ पे जो मैं लाइन है वो लिख रहा हूँ, right? If you are not able to see, then write down the words I am speaking, right? Okay. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? Here AC plus BC is equals to root 13 plus root 13, that is 2 root 13, and 2 root 13 is the measurement of AB. So therefore A, B and C are collinear. So therefore A, B and C are collinear, and if 3 points are collinear, it cannot form a quadrilateral. So I am writing here, therefore quadrilateral A B C D is, sorry यहाँ पे quadrilateral नहीं आएगा. So therefore points लिखने हैं ना, therefore points A, B, C and D are not, so therefore points A, B, C and D are not forming quadrilateral, right? वह जो है वो कोई भी quadrilateral नहीं बना रहा है. Understood? Hope so you had understood this sum, as well as here I have written in a small letters, but I had already speak out that what you have to write. Okay, so write this sum in your fair book, and then afterwards we will start with our third sum. Okay. Okay students, so now let us start with your third sum. Here the coordinates are given: A 4, 5, B 7, 6, C 4, 3 and D 1, 2, and we have to tell that which type of quadrilateral it is, right? And we know only how to do the sum with the help of distance formula only. So first we will start to find the sixth distance, right? हमें sixth distance find करना है ना? Okay. So let us start with our first distance. AB square. First minus first. Very simple. See here, no minus sign is there. कहीं पे भी क्वेश्चन में minus sign नहीं है. Very simple. 4 minus 7 plus second minus second, that is 5 minus 6. 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 का आंसर क्या आएगा? minus 3 square plus 5 minus 6 का आंसर minus 1 square. 4 minus 7 obviously minus 3, and 5 minus 6 here also minus 1. Minus 3 square 9 plus minus 1 square, that will be plus 1 and 10. And I think there is no square root possible for this 10, right? 10 के दो parts क्या हो गए? 5 2s are, where 5 and 2 both are prime numbers. So here I am writing, therefore AB will be root 10. Okay, now we will find BC. BC square. First minus first, 7 minus 4 plus 6 minus 3, second minus second. 7 minus 4, that will be 3. 6 minus 3, that will be also 3. 3 square plus 3 square. 3 square plus 3 square. 3 square means 9. And here also 3 square. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. Now which are the two parts of 18? 18 का square root निकालना है. तो 18 के दो parts क्या हो गए? 9 2s are. जहाँ पे 9 का square root possible है और 2 का नहीं. Okay, so therefore BC is equals to root 18. Root 18 is written as 9 2s are, where the square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 2 is root 2. Okay, so BC का आंसर क्या आ गया? 3 root 2. Now we are going to find CD, right? CD find करने वाला है. So therefore CD square. Okay, CD square it means first minus first. 4 minus 1 plus 4 minus 1, second minus second, 3 minus 2. Okay, 4 minus 1 it means 3 square. 3 minus 2, 1 square. What will be the answer of 3 square? 3 square will be 9. 1 square will be 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Again, square root of 10 is not possible. So we are writing directly CD is equals to root 10. Understood? Okay, now AD or DA both are same only. Let us find this time AD. In the previous sum we had done DA. दोनों में कुछ जो है वो डिफरेंस नहीं है. AD आप लिखते हो तो A का फर्स्ट माइनस B का फर्स्ट. ओके 4 minus 1. आंसर तो सेम ही आएगा. आप DA लिखो तो यहाँ पे 1 minus 4 हो जाएगा. ओके सेकंड माइनस सेकंड 5 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus 1 3 square. 5 minus 2 3 square. 3 square plus 3 square that is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 18. यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा था if our answer is 18 and if we find out the square root of this 18 then it will be 3 root 2. So this time I am writing directly, so therefore AD will be 3 root 2. Understood? Okay. AD is equals to 3 root 2. Now what we have to do, we have to find the diagonal, right? Diagonal क्या होगा? फर्स्ट डायगोनल AC और सेकंड डायगोनल क्या होगा? B and D. एक को छोड़ के एक लेना है. साइड में दोनों साथ में लेना, राइट? कहीं पे भी स्किप नहीं करना है. डायगोनल में क्या करना है? ये लिया तो इसको स्किप कर डालो, फिर बाद में C पॉइंट ले लो. इट मींस AC. फिर बाद में यहाँ से शुरू किया D लिया तो C को जो है स्किप करके D ले लो तो हो जाएगा ये BD डायगोनल. Okay, so first of all let us see AC. AC square. First minus first. 4 minus 4. Second minus second. 5 minus 3. 4 minus 4. 0. 5 minus 3. 2 square. Okay. 0 square का आंसर हो गया 0 plus 2 square का आंसर आएगा 4. 0 plus 4 का आंसर क्या होगा? 4. And the square root of 4 is possible. Yes. What is the square root of 4? 2. Correct. So therefore AC is equals to 2. Understood? Now we are going to find BD square. First minus first. The first of D is 7 and D is 1. So 7 minus 1 whole square plus second minus second 6 minus 2 whole square. 7 minus 1 it means 6 whole square. 6 minus 2 हो जाएगा 4 whole square. Okay, 7 minus 1 6, 6 minus 2 4. 6 square. 6 6 are 36. 4 square. 4 4 are 16. If you add 36 plus 16, answer will be 52. Right? Okay. We had already seen what will be the square root of 52 in the previous sum. Second sum में हमने देख लिया था कि 52 को कैसे करना है. So therefore BD is equals to root of 52. It means 4 13s are where square root of 4 is possible, that is 2, and square root of 13 is not possible. So 2 root 13. Okay. Now by his sides and diagonals we have to decide which type of quadrilateral it is. Okay, let us see here. AB is root 10, 3 root 2, root 10, 3 root 2. It means we can say that okay, if we are not able to get the answer, then let us simply draw a small diagonal. What is the measurement of AB? AB का measurement क्या है? root 10, right? So here I am writing root 10. BC 3 root 2. Again this CD root 10. Again this 3 root 2. Now AC. What is the measurement of AC? 2. And what is the measurement of BD? 2 root 30. Then we can clearly see that opposite sides are equal, right? The length of opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal, but the length of diagonals are not same. The length of AC is 2 and the length of BD is 2 root 13. Okay? Opposite sides are equal, but the length of diagonals are not equal. It means which kind of quadrilateral? कौन सा quadrilateral होगा ये? Opposite side equal है but diagonals same नहीं है. This is parallelogram. How to draw parallelogram? In the 9th standard you had already seen. See, it's very small parallelogram I am drawing here and then afterwards I will draw. Okay? This is called parallelogram. Slanted rectangle. Okay? यहाँ पे क्या है? Opposite sides are equal, but the length of diagonals are not equal. See, this will be a small diagonal. Obviously, ये small है और ये क्या है? बड़ा वाला है. Okay? So diagonals are not same, but opposite sides are equal. So now this figure is also not needed. So here I am writing here which are the sides equal. AB is equals to CD. Here AB is equals to CD and CD. Sorry, AB is equals to CD and this 3 root 2. BC is equals to AD and BC is equals to AD. But diagonals AC is not equals to BD. We had already seen that opposite sides are equal and diagonals equal नहीं है. So it means it is a parallelogram. So therefore quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, understood? So here in this lecture we had completed our question number 6, in which first question is there homework for you, where you have to do in the same manner, right? 6 times जो है वो आपको ये डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला का यूज करना है, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. वहां पे आपको मालूम है आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? स्क्वायर आना चाहिए. If your answer is not square, then you had made a mistake, right? मैंने यहाँ पे आंसर लिखने में कोई मिस्टेक नहीं की है. आपका आंसर स्क्वायर नहीं आता है तो आपने कहीं पे भी मिस्टेक की है. Okay, what are the characteristics of square? We'll revise it fast. All the 4 sides are equal, as well as the length of diagonals are also equal. Understood? So again, write this question in your fair book, and the next questions we will do in the next lecture. Okay? Thank you.